flame in a vacuum. I am the pale black. I am the coitus of quietus. I am the consummation of death and life giving birth to you. You are the hunger unquenched. You are the thirst unfed. You are the want and have not. You are the convergence in Eros and Thanatos. For the offspring of life and death is desire. Longing is the joie, the vivre, and the self-destruction. You are the want to be, never the become.
This is the Chef Chester Show. Hello, I'm Chef Chester, and today I will be showing you how to prepare a psilocybe algorfield mushroom from Bulgaria with a little bit of apricots, potato, en flambé, chicken stock, and let's begin. My mother used to cut her potatoes so uneven, and the final product was always very uneven cooking, with some raw, some overcooked. So it is very important that we get even cooking and even cuts as well. Now it is time to cut the onion. We want to cut more. There is nothing more beautiful in this world than an even cut onion. Make sure to properly peel your thyme. You don't want any stems. Now for the second portion of our mise en place, we are going to be preparing the psilocybe algorfield mushroom. And I have my gloves here for protection. We want to make sure we dispose of the cap very carefully and save the stem. Now I'm just going to cut lengthwise, directly down, and we want to lightly score the inside flesh. Now that the mise en place is prepared, the cooking will begin.
Ratings are too low and I don't think we'll last the whole season. Perhaps they're confused since both of you have the same name.
He's Percy the puppet, I'm Percy the person. What's the confusion?
You're both named Percy.
But I'm not a puppet.
Are you a person? Are you sure we're properly addressing our target demographic?
Yes.
But it's a children's cooking show.
And they love puppets.
But they're children. They don't cook.
Hey kids, you know what time it is? It's Grub-Chow time! Person the puppets, Grub-Chow time with the kids!
Hey, boys and girls and others. I'm Percy the person.
Hello, my name is Percy the puppet.
And today we're going to be making a chocolate habanero cake with avocado buttercream, which will give us the chance
Chance or fate?
the chance to combine sweet and creamy flavors with dark spicy ones. So I'll begin by preheating the oven to 350. And then I'll mix flour, sugar.
Did you wash your hands, Percy the person?
Thanks for the reminder, Percy the puppet. Did you make sure to wash your hands too?
Hand.
That's right, boys, girls, and others. Make sure to scrub down on your hands with soap and water. Now, this cake serves about 8 to 10 people. So you'll need two cups of sugar. I always like to add a little bit more sugar because my role model, Chef Chester, always says, life is too short not to be sweet.
Do you really believe that?
I sure think so.
I think you're wrong.
You're playing devil's advocate, aren't you? Do you kids know what devil's advocate is?
Just because it's true doesn't mean it's from the devil.
Hello, I am Chef Chester, and today I will be showing you how to prepare a psilocybe algofio mushroom from Bulgaria with a little bit of apricot, potatoes, flambe, and chicken stock. Hello, I am Chef Chester, and today, hello, I am Chef Chester. I am Chef Chester. I am Chef Chester.
With a preheated pan, you want to add a generous amount of olive oil because the mushroom will soak it up like a sponge. Now place it flat side down. You just want to sear one color. Now that we have achieved the color we want, we will remove the mushroom and get ready for it. I have now added the onions before the potatoes because we want them to cook down and brown potatoes of the chunks. And once your onions get brown, you want to add your raw potatoes.
Let's just roll, baby.
We're now ready to flambe. For this, you just want to turn on the heat, add your whisker. Add a little bit of chicken stock, add a little bit of want to put it flat side down because we don't want to ruin our theater. Make sure to give it a smell every once in a while. You can just smell the caramelization. Beautiful.
Percy the person. Awakened creature of desire.
Who are you?
I am the celestial marriage of life and death given flesh.
You mean felt?
Felt, feel, and will feel. The recurrent reverberations of atomic vibrations on my blood. I make everything happen, and I make everything unhappen.
What do you want?
I am not want. Want is my child.
Look, all I want is to be Chef Chester.
That is not what you want.
That's my life.
You are not living. You are procrastinating death. Dying is life. To desire breath is to desire strife.
Look, I know strife, but I didn't ask for it. And I don't want to be the failure that teaches kids how to make bouffe bouillon. I'm better than that. I want to live large.
You do not know what it means to want.
Then tell me.
In the light, you long to be Chef Chester. But what do you long for in the darkness? The beast of longing has two mouths, but you have only fed one.
But I don't need to feed the darkness. Chef Chester is my only mouth.
Such is why you have met failure at every turn. Verily I say, death sells. Death is sexy.
Death sells. Death is sexy.
The producer says he's going to cancel our show.
He's not going to cancel it.
Well, he says he's going to. We have to do something to save the show.
Stay out of it and do nothing. Do you understand?
Well, that'll be a problem since you'll do nothing as well.
Listen, I don't want to hear your little voices, your whispers coming out of your lips unless your hand is up that puppet. I don't want you sitting at the same table as me. I want you on the ground. I want you below me. I am Percy the person. You are merely the puppeteer. You are a shadow. Stay in the shadows.
the first carrot,
Chef Chester wouldn't have done what you've done.
rondelles.
Do you dare repeat what just slipped from your greasy lips?
Even cuts.
Our ratings are through the roof. I gave the people what they wanted.
People?
Cutting it in half to get
They're
even cuts.
children.
We are cutting
Well, forgive me if they love dead dogs.
You misanthrope.
You can't be a misanthrope if you love yourself.
You love yourself.
I do.
So for the first carrot, I'm just going to be cutting it into simple rondelles, and these need to be a quarter-inch thick, even cuts. And now for the second carrot, I'm cutting it in half to get even cuts.
What happened?
There is no thing. Chef Chester is a construct. Sex is a construct. Species is a construct. Age is a construct. They were all constructed by me. By death. By life.
Do you want to be Chef Chester? Come on.
What are you looking for?
You know who this is? I saw the show last night, Percy, the one with the dog. It made me feel warm and I felt like a child again. I have some exciting news for you. I want to talk to you, Percy. Meet me tonight at my office at 8.
Hey! Hey! You think you're a corkscrew?
What?
This building's a wine bottle. I'm the cork. Brenham. Brenham.
Isn't this a little excessive?
Hey, shut up. All right, upstairs, to the left.
L. Give me some L. Take a seat. The other one. Hello, Percy the person.
Person. Hello, Mr. Producer.
So I hear that Percy the person and Percy the puppet's Grub-Chow time with the kids has made some recent significant changes. This allowing for phenomenal viewer development. Ironically coinciding with the disappearance of a famous celebrity chef, which allows me to present you with a titillating offer. W.
Right away, sir.
Yes.
There you are, sir.
How would you like to be the next Chef Chester?
Chester. What happened to the first one?
We're not talking about the first one. Do you want to be Chef Chester? Do you want to be Chef Chester?
Chester.
What do I want? I don't know what you're talking about.
Why did I say no?
Percy,
Why did I say no?
Percy, you need to calm down.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Percy the puppet.
I'm the
What do
puppet.
I want? You're just the puppeteer. What do I want? I could have been Chef Chester.
Percy, you don't want to be Chef Chester. You only want to be Chef Chester.
I don't know.
What do you want?
I don't know.
What do you want?
I want you.